Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Vaporesso Cross 3 pod system featuring a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, integrating the advanced Xros chipset backed with their powerful pulse mode, with a redesigned exterior structure, newly integrated LED effects, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 2 ml refillable pod, compatible with previous cross pods, utilizing an integrated mesh coil system, backed with Vaporesso's CoreX heating technology, providing great tasting flavors and vapor production. Let's get right into it and present the new Cross 3 pod system by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Cross 3 pod system provided to us as a sample by Vaporesso, the newest addition to the Cross lineup. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers a rounded edge design, available in 8 different color variations to choose from. Here we have the navy blue edition for today's review, integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, integrating the advanced Xros chipset, offering rapid firing speeds, backed with Vaporesso's flavor boosting pulse mode, providing a consistent strong experience. The Cross 3 will also come in a mini version. Here we have the Cross 3 mini pod system, offering the same 1000 mAh rechargeable battery as the former, with a gradient and diamond exterior design. Going back to the Cross 3, it utilizes both manual pressing and auto draw activation, with an adjustable airflow control side lever, powered by fast charging Type-C USB rested below, paired with a refillable cross pod, offering a snap-off top fill system, housing up to 2 ml of e-liquid, magnetic pod connection, utilizing an integrated mesh coil system, compatible with the previous cross pods, backed with Vaporesso's CoreX heating technology, delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying vaping experience. The package will include the Cross 3 battery device with a 2 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.6 ohm mesh coil, an extra cross pod, utilizing a pre-installed 1 ohm mesh coil, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.